Weird noises. It's getting quieter, and the high-pitched is coming back now. It's like a high-pitched noise. I don't know if you can hear it on this video. December 12th, 2012. Now it's loud. I've just realised it's 12, 12, 12.
What's that noise?
That's why I'm recording it.
Oh, really loud noise.
Yeah, I'm recording it. Goes quiet like this, and then it'll get really loud again in a minute.
Why?
Don't know.
Sure it's not the army or anything.
Have you ever heard that noise?
That's why I'm scared.
That's my 10-year-old son coming outside asking what the noise is.
What's that?
Is it dark there? They make it light.
So why is it so dark in the morning? It's 12, 12, 12.
No, that's because it's winter.
What?
You go in, it's cold. It is 7:25. It's actually 7:28 in the morning.
You're going to share that?
And this noise gets quieter, then really loud, then quiet, and really loud. Don't know what it is. Never heard it before this loud. Strange. Bit of a boring video in regards to visual, but I'm just hoping you're picking up the noise. Okay, I think stay out here for another 30 seconds. That other noise is my dog. Shh. There you go, it's getting loud again. I think my dog's even listening. Almost sounds like a load of planes, but you know it's not planes because the noise is continual and there's no...
Nothing in the air.
There's the high-pitched noise again. No, it's definitely not planes because planes make a different type of noise as they fly away. The noise reduction is different to this. This is a totally different kind of variation in noise. Haven't got a clue what it is. Even my dog keeps listening. So anyway, I'll leave you with that. If anyone knows what it is, very welcome to say, open to...
It's different.
It's like a high-pitched noise.
What is it?
Anyway, yeah, if anyone's got any ideas, go ahead and comment.
Noises at the army camp.
I'll see you later.